Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel your domain and get refund from GoDaddy. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your GoDaddy, of course, your GoDaddy web account. The next thing I'd like you to do is to, of course, know how you can create your GoDaddy account. So how do you do that? Launch in a browser of your choice. And then at the top corner, you're going to find the search bar. From the search bar, type GoDaddy.com. And once you type that, it's going to take you to the official website for GoDaddy. From the website, check the top right corner. You're going to find sign up. Click on sign up and then follow through with the processes to create an account. Now, you can either be asked to create an account manually or automatically using Google, Facebook, or Apple. Whichever one is most convenient for you, choose, as the process is self-explanatory. Then it's going to take you to the official homepage for GoDaddy. This is not the official homepage. Once you get to the homepage for GoDaddy, all you need to do is to, of course, click on the help button that you're going to find at the top corner. So you can click on the help button there. Oh, let me just head over to it because this is the My Product page, and I can also get access to help button here, but I don't want you to get to the My Product page because it's going to be like too much. So this is the home page. And you see help. So click on help because you really need to know the refund policy for GoDaddy. And refund. So that's cancel domain and refund, and I'm clicking enter. So here's delete my domain from accounts is no longer registered to you. Cancel a pending content, cancel and refund and order in the online store, cancel my domain, back orders and monitoring, cancel my domain transfer. All right, so check it out. Cancel domain account transfer. All right, so cancel a pending call, cancel and refund and order, cancel my domain, back orders, cancel your monitoring and back this on the suit your needs. So I'm just gonna have to click on this because let's first see how we can cancel. So log into your GoDaddy and then Domain Control Center. You can go ahead and click on this from here. Select buy and sell and then back orders and monitoring. So once you do that, check the box next to the domain you're canceling, then select remove selected. Check the box next to remove back orders and monitoring, then select OK, and you see a confirmation message that your changes have been submitted and updates will process within a few minutes. Then go ahead and select OK. So now that we know how we can cancel, the next thing is how to get refund for canceled domain. All right. That's just telling me how I can get a refund. Domain. Let's see. Delete my domain. Okay, let's go ahead to delete my domain. So if they're not definitely telling us, so sign into your GoDaddy domain portfolio. Select the checkboxes next to domains you'll be updating. Domain name. Select domain name. Depending on your screen size and more, confirm the domains we're deleting. Yes, I constantly delete, and then you might be okay. All right. So here we go. So sign into your GoDaddy domain portfolio and then select the checkboxes next to the domains you'll be updating. All right, or select the checkbox next to the domain name and then choose select all. Then select delete domains from the action menu. Depending on your screen size, you may need to select the more menu and scroll down to see the delete domains. Now confirm the domains will be deleted by selecting the checkbox next to yes, I consent to delete the selected domains. Now you might be eligible for a refund, but refunds are not guaranteed. Any product using selected domains such as website or email will stop working after deleting. So let's go ahead and see how we can be eligible for refund. So I'm going to click on this eligible for refund to see the eligibility requirements. So here's the refund policy. All right, so it's just a lot. So you're just going to have to read all of this to see if you're suitable. And if you see that you have met all of these requirements, all you need to do is to now click on this contact us. All right, so here you see contact us and it says chat now. So go ahead and click on this chat now button and then contact us and just let them know that you want to cancel and request a refund because you have read the refund policy and you are eligible for refund. So that's pretty much the process. You can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video helped you search.